Hey there! Are your Soundcore Anker Liberty 2 earbuds not functioning as smoothly as they should? No worries. In this video, we'll walk you through some effective solutions on how to fix Soundcore Anker Liberty 2 earbuds so you can enjoy your music without any interruption. Step 1. Check Bluetooth connectivity. First things first, let's start with the basics. If your earbuds are having trouble connecting to your device, it might be a Bluetooth issue. Start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone or tablet. Go to the Bluetooth settings and see if the earbuds are listed as connected. If not, turn off the Bluetooth and then turn it back on. Make sure the earbuds are in pairing mode by holding the button on the charging case until the LED indicator blinks white. Once that's set, reconnect them in your Bluetooth settings and see if this resolves the problem. Step 2. Reset the earbuds. If reconnecting didn't work, it's time for a reset. A reset can solve various glitches. To perform a reset, first turn off the Bluetooth on your device. Then place both earbuds back in the charging case and ensure they're being charged. Press and hold the button on each earbud for about 8 seconds until the LED indicators flash red 3 times. This will reset the earbuds to factory settings. Now, remove the earbuds from the charging case and attempt to connect them again to your device. Step 3. Check for firmware updates. Keeping your earbuds up to date can improve performance and fix bugs. To check for updates, download the Soundcore app from your device's app store. Open the app and connect your Liberty 2 earbuds. Navigate to the settings and search for available firmware updates. If an update is available, follow the prompts to install it. This could enhance the functionality of your earbuds and potentially address existing issues. Step 4. Clean the earbuds. Sometimes simple maintenance can make a world of difference. Dirty earbuds can affect sound quality and charging efficiency. Take a dry cotton swab or a piece of cloth to gently clean the mesh and exterior of the earbuds. Avoid using water or any liquid cleaners as this could damage the electronics. Cleaning the charging ports both on the earbuds and inside the case with a soft brush can also prevent charging issues. Step 5. Seek support. If you've tried all these steps and your earbuds are still not working correctly, it might be time to reach out for additional help. Contact Anker's customer support for assistance or visit an authorized service center. They can help diagnose more complex issues that aren't resolved by basic troubleshooting. And there you have it. We hope this guide on how to fix Soundcore Anker Liberty 2 earbuds has helped you get back to enjoying your music seamlessly. From checking Bluetooth settings, resetting and updating firmware, to maintaining cleanliness, each step can make a significant difference. Remember, if all else fails, reaching out to customer support can provide the expert help you need. Don't let minor setbacks keep you from your tune. Follow these steps and keep your audio experience smooth and hassle-free.